Alright, welcome back gamers. We're jumping into another set 10 TFT. I might try to do another MOBA team comp, copy and paste, so we might try the Gargantuan Zerker. I think for that though we kind of need the Gargantuan's Resolve, right? If we don't get that, we're kind of screwed. Metalheads, Twin Terror, Magic Wand, Ground Guarded, Metalheads, I mean, Let's see what other people are grabbing first. A lot of not making up your mind. Risky Richer. We go Twin Terror. So I might be the only person playing it. What are we gonna do here? Try to do Twin Terror, I guess? Twin Terror, Olaf, is that a thing? Is that a thing? Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can make a Twin Terror Olaf build. Long like guys, just sketch what we're trying to do here. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. We're gonna do this. Go. So if we were to copy and paste this, we'd pretty much need Set, Yorick, Lowy, Kali, Gragas, Zac, Olaf, and then Karthus, which doesn't seem like that too many units to hit. I've never played this one. It looks fun. I don't know if we're gonna hit it though. There's a couple people that are already testing me on Olaf. I mean, Twin Terror Olaf is kind of memey. We didn't need to lock this. We didn't lock it. Okay, good. Get out of here. Get out of here. Shut the front door. I'll start grabbing the punks as backup. I don't know if anyone's going really into that build though. See, everyone's kind of trying to get into the big boy builds here. I would be in my own lane if I picked up Twin Terror, Twitch. I mean, it's still open. I'm open to the idea. I'm open to the idea. CC is gonna be a 9. I just need to stabilize early and save. I'm gonna slowly pick up units in case I need to pivot, but that's not really the play I want to make right now. Put it on the bench belt. These guys, come on now. Oh man, everyone's kind of still in our kitchen, aren't they? This guy's kind of in it. Business own element. Own element. Own element. We're gonna have a hard time countering that. this team comp. I might need to bust out and go to Twitch build. Man, hold on to Olaf for now and try to build my backline, but like we need to pivot. Twin Terror is gonna fall off if we play it the way it is. And I like to do my Twin Terror with Emo Annie or Annie Spellweaver. Super powerful right now, but yeah. Spot, guys. We are in a raw spot. I think I kinda need to be playing Punk to get the reroll, right? Or the Twitches. I mean, we could always just hold the line and play what we're playing. Hope for the best. We already had 4 Bruiser. I can eventually turn my Twin Terror into a Cali. Try to get 2 Calis out there. That'd be crazy. Or double Karthus in the back. Yeah, we're not gonna roll. We're just gonna play it out, see what happens. We're abandoning it. The Twin Terror only belongs to the select few now. Probably play you better though. Be a better call. So I don't really think that the Twin Terror applies too great to Tom Kench. Shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. We need a backline. We're struggle busting for the backline. You know, I'm just gonna sell Tom because I'm planning on playing him as a 2-star. See if we can win this and get our interest back. If not, I'll sell the Gragas. Kill her before she heals. There we go. Oh yes, the CC train. Okay, so we got our interest back, so that's good. It's a small win. That's a very small win for us, but we like it. Stationary support, know your enemy, and unite resistance. What are they saying here we should be building? United resistance? Unified resistance, sorry. Stationary support, they're not a fan of that, but I am. But that's okay. Jeweled Lotus are saying no go, know your enemy. Gigantuan resolve. That's what we want. And who else is getting this then? Just 1 unit? Doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. We got 2 though. Alright. So now we're chilling, right? What else do they want us to put here? We can't really make any items that are going to benefit us too much here. It's Married is playing the gold game now. Because ramping attack speed is crazy. Definitely Twin Terror on Olaf. Kind of fun. Now we need Zach. Zach and then Alawi. We're gonna play the gold game right now. Nobody wants the Sunfire, but apparently somebody wants the Evan Shroud, according to their build. Like I'm just doing, like I've done this a couple of these videos, guys, where I pick like a team comp off mobalytics and I just like pretty much like copy paste it into a plat environment, or not plat, emerald. So yeah, we're pretty much playing an emerald game. We're trying to copy and paste the Gargantuan Zerker. We're gonna see how well it works out for us. Tom Kench isn't part of this team comp, so I'm just trying to build an item on him that would be moved over to Zach, it looks like. And then we're golden. Oh yes. The Eve carry in the back, interesting. Oh, this is actually crazy. Wow, really? Interesting. I have no backline carries, so that just was like a complete wash. Okay, so here we need... I need this Yon. Need the Yon. This is rough. Giant spray on you. I think that's what they call for. Yeah, they actually did call for that. Good. Okay, didn't mess up there. Sell you. In Karthus, we're gonna want Death Cap and Spear Shojin. I can get one of them pretty quickly. Death Cap should be easy. Shojin might be a little bit different. Very burnt up blade. Everyone's econ's really good, which is a good thing, but it's also concerning because like we're all ready to just blow our freaking wallet. Blow our load. That sounded bad. Awkward, embarrassing. So I don't think I'm getting any more Olafs, right? Because it looks like probably someone contested, grabbed them all up on me. Not really, no. No, we're just not hitting them. I have a 30% chance to hit them too, and there's only one out there. That's strange. This combo I was worried about, because we're all melee right now. We have no backline. Come on. It'd be so much easier if we were just playing metalheads right off the rip. Wouldn't have to be worried about all this crap. It is slapping though. Twin Terror Broloff. If we don't have a bag, a rich get richer, we can slow roll a little bit here. See what we get. Nothing of use. We really want to head to Karthus. I think that'd be the next player, right? Might have to ditch the set Twin Terror and just run with the Olaf. I don't mind playing that though. Olaf's gonna be my carry. Olaf is the carry. We don't mind that. Back to it, I guess. Oh, my back. Is Rage Blade still good on Olaf? I know people were doing that for a hot minute, but feeling that might be done. If we lose to a KDA team comp, I'm gonna freaking tear my computer out of the wall. Seraphine is pretty strong right now, though, so I don't actually expect us to win this. I'm hoping my double set would do something. Yeah, he's got freaking Ionic. We're done. We're done. Too much CC. Sad face. Alright, teaming up. Not super interested. Little buddies. Not super interested. You have my bow, although nice. Not super interested. Crash test wings, that's alright. Just falling. You have my sword. I think you have my sword to be the player, right? Since we're very frontline heavy. I don't even know what I'm doing right now, guys. We're just this is wild. And we could play this. Starks on Olaf is golden. That's actually the exact build they tell us to build. Looks like Starks, Titans, and Edge Knight, the EON. I'm sure they probably would like us to have some sort of crowd control in here, though. The Dominant Will have been really good. This is taking forever, guys. We're never gonna get out of this game. We need to cart this like yesterday, like 2 days ago. Are you kidding me right now? You gotta be kidding me right now. This is freaking nutty. We have no backline and we're freaking right now freaking twin tearing set freaking Gragas and freaking Olaf. Like, what am I watching right now? What am I watching? I feel this is gonna shred us. Of course, we focused the wrong target. Why kill the one behind you shooting you when you can just run over here and kill tanks? That little baby Olaf went over there. He recognized what's up. He's like, I got you, coach. Put me in. Oh, wow. Those sets be punching. Those sets be punching. What do we need here? We need that. Definitely need that freaking Zach. We've been sitting at 5 bruises for eternity. Man, this sucks. Whoever played this round, Ophelia Cox here, they're definitely having a bad go. Being out in the 4th round is pretty rough. You have to be doing everything wrong in those games. We've all had them. We've all had them. You know, by the 4th carousel, that's even harsher. Maybe they forfeit or something I didn't see. I was too busy looking at my troll build. So we definitely don't want double down on Gragas. So you can just chill out Gragas. How about that? So we'll put you here, you here. This is the end we actually wanted on Zach here. That's okay. We're gonna put you like this. Pop you up here for now. Yeah, I'll do it like that. Whatever. We just need to get freaking Arthas, Mikali, York, and Alawi. No big deal. We just need like half our team. Once we get that, though, we're set. Kind of liking it because they got the AP punches, right? I'm liking the damage they do. Those punches are actually kind of satisfying to watch. I can't believe, like, that's why you don't sit on your items, man. I don't understand why people do this. Like, you know you're getting close to it. You're sitting on all your items hoping to make it to here, but, like, you're not guaranteed that. Like, I said this in other videos. Like, I'm always putting items on units I know I'm going to use. Like, if I had no intention of playing Olaf and knew, like, this is what I wanted my build to be like on Alawi, but I say I wasn't playing Olaf, I'd start building items I would want to put on Alawi later. You just get early game board strength. You lose less HP because you usually get more units before you die. Like, you should never be dying on a bench with items still on your board, like a full board like that. Like, that's silly. In my personal experience in the game, like, not a lot of people do that. In Plat, like, people would hold their items till like the end of the game. I'm like, this is kind of a weird strat. Now that I'm in Emerald, I see a lot less people with that. Like, even this guy here, right? No items. One item. Couple items, but yeah. No items. Couple items, but he's in last place. It's like, yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. Oh, wow. Did we just do that? Did I do that? Where is this freaking Karthus, man? There you are. Ask you shall receive. So who are we pulling out for that? Nobody yet. What were we trying to get on you? We need a tier and another freaking AP hat to drop. Kind of a big ask from Raptors. We get some AP and a tier. That'd be nice. So this is our mock version of the Gargantuan Zerker in Emerald. Once again, it's gonna be my copy paste. We just got exactly what we asked for. This game knows I'm making freaking YouTube material, I swear. So we're actually gonna roll you out. A little bit low on the inches, but we're gonna turp you. Oh, I'm not 2-starring you ever. 3-starring you. And then this we're gonna put you, right? Sure. Ooh. 2 units we need, so we need to ditch 1 set. We'll lock that. Finally got a backline carry though, which is satisfying. The Akali is going to give us the additional executioner slash, you know, running through the team, so that's solid. This Olaf is beast mode right now. I thought this one was the beast. They're competing for Olafs here, man. Brothers in arms. We're not doing any damage with this freaking Karthus. Wow. That was so hard to watch. This guy's broke too. So we're gonna pull one of you guys, put you out here, get Karthus with some crit at least. Alright, then we look down at the map, so you got you here. You're gonna have to play the role of Alawi. You're there, you're there, you're there. That's all good. Probably should be here-ish, they're saying. If we're doing the copy-paste build, and this needs to be deleted. But I need to get Alawi first. So I talk, Shane. So we get Alawi, and then we might not be able to pull off Yorick because we're running 2 Olafs, but we'll see. And I'm not mad. I think the Olaf pulling tears is kind of what's kept me in the game for a little while here. Like, they've been hacking and slashing their way. They've been doing all the muscle work. I'm just here for the ride. Look at this guy going hyperspeed, man. No, my soul Karthus. Now they're catching up. Now we definitely need to hit Plant Lady. Take those though. Oh yeah. Do some of that. More. Oof. Man, can you imagine if we had frickin' too big to fail? That'd be crazy on this team comp, especially with these double Olafs. Too big to fail would have been ill. Oh, Karthus, you're so weak in the back. It's gonna embarrass me, aren't you? Aren't you, bud? Oh yeah, no damage. Super. Oh no. This freaking, like, this is insane. I better not get 4th or 5th out of this. 4th I'll take. If I get 5th out of this, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh no. You guys are trying to push us out of the game. We're doing this for mobalytics. Don't you dare. Okay, there's our York. So we need him. So we need you. It's still not our bruiser though. That's just our pentakill, so we need to play him. I'd play him over Callie right now. Karthus isn't doing shit. Or with the crit buff. Karthus is just sitting back there getting pooped on. So we need to put you out for you right now. You kidding me? 72. Come on, game, please love me a little bit.
Wait, hold up. We didn't pay for this.
Who do we want this on? Malawi, which doesn't exist. Put on you right now. And we really need this unit to take off. At least we got pentakill. That should help out both my Olafs. I don't know if it's enough though. I really don't. Karthus is just shit in the bed here. Doing 0 damage. Look at me, guys. I'm dropping the ball. Oh, Karthus, you're gonna lose this for us, bud. This is insane. No way. Why couldn't they just give me the Alawi? Just roll for it. Let's try to hit their build here. We gotta do this for the memes. We're gonna roll it down.
Wait, hold up. We didn't pay for this.
I'm not gonna lie, that helps. Weak. Well, we didn't even hit her. This guy's probably gonna kick us out. Out of my game, swine. Probably what he's thinking. My Anakai just comes down and kills our freaking 1 unit we have. Nice. And that's why you want to hit Alawi, is because you put the tentacles in the back to bait out anyone that's trying to counter you with an Akali. Oh, we didn't get our freaking ult off. We tried, guys. We were 1 unit short. We tried. Yes, I'm still in. I'm still in. I mean, alright. Oh, man. They just doubled down huge on that guy. Alright, I guess you get the... You get the lightweight version. Really want this Alawi, guys. Sell this freaking... Sell this stupid Tom Kench. He's really the only thing that's screwing up our build right now. I'm almost tempted just to sell him and freaking pull out the, Is that another set? Oh, right, because we get that bonus. That's awkward. Sell you, sell you. This game actually hates me. I'm gonna sell you anyway. I'm gonna put you out. You're supposed to have this and this. We're also gonna give Karthus this. I don't know if that really helps him. Almost full build, guys. It was almost a full build. We got close. It's okay. We don't get to do with all the stuff we want to do, but we're shy on one. The most important character in this team that you usually find the most of out of 5 class units for some reason. We don't see her this round. But Olafs are going nuts, man. These Olafs are letting me... They're like, you need to get this content out. Believe. Believe. We got second out of this? Or third? Nice. And that Olaf's kind of beastly. That's all. That boy's ready to do some work. He came with his hard hat on and his construction boots. Like, that guy came ready to work. He's like, put me in, coach. Really? Come on, game. We're 1 unit off hitting this. I even pulled my second Olaf just to do it. Like, I've had my fun with Twin Terror Olafs, but... Let's be real. This guy's got the Akali? No. And we might do okay, though. Might do okay. We still have a chance to hit this. If we win this one, we have a chance to hit it. I would pull off my Twin Terror Olaf to make this build complete. I would sacrifice that for you guys, so you guys can see the full Gargantuan Zerker build from Mobalytics in Emerald. But I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty solid build. I'm not upset with it. This card just needs to really start bumping. Come on, bud. Yeah, that's good. Get off us, though. Just need one more of those, two more of those. Come on, Karthus. We're putting some people down, man. Oh no. It's Olaf and Karthus. The home stretch. Oh my gosh. We did it. This guy's got freaking 50 plus gold. What am I doing? What am I doing thinking I'm going to win this? No shot. And this guy run the Akali, but his Akali is not as strong as mine. Sucks to suck. So where's his strongest units? Over there. We don't want her... We don't really want him being annihilated so quickly from the CC. So we're actually going to pull you over here and put the baby version out. Let Mini-Me go over there and do some work. We're going to chop up this back line over here. Go Mini-Me, be our lovely sacrifice. Appreciate you. Get this one cost Akali off me, that'd be great. 1 star. Oh man, Mini-Me is doing work. Look at these double Olafs, man. They are just throwing the hammer down. Like, let's go. How did we crawl that into second place? Oh my god, there she is. Man, it just came together for us. Look, guys. Finish your build for you. We get to see the full thing. But I do have to sacrifice our Olaf. He was a good soldier. He was a very good soldier. I almost sold that one. That would have been devastating. Alright, my friend. I have to do this as requested by the wonderful old... You don't have a backline, do you? So we can actually put these up here a little bit. We don't need to be so far back. And we're going to give this to you. You. Probably you and you. The itemization's not the same as they have, obviously, for obvious reasons. But we got the build we were supposed to get, guys. Everything is here. This is the Gargantuan Zerker build from Mobalytics. We sacrificed our brute Olaf strength to pull us off for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Olaf just got stunned down. Oh my gosh. Imagine if we actually kill someone. Yeah, this guy's had too many levels on us. Our econ was really bad this game. That's not a good thing. I mean, it's fun. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We pulled off the full build, so you've seen it there. Yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.